Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame for quilling art. To begin, selecting the right frame is crucial. Opt for a shadow box frame, which provides essential space to protect your delicate three-dimensional quilled creations. Ensure the frame offers at least 1 inch of depth to accommodate the artwork without crushing it. Next, choose a mat board that beautifully complements your quilling's colors and overall design, enhancing its visual appeal. This careful selection sets the foundation for a stunning display. Once you have your frame, it is time for preparation. First, meticulously clean the shadow box frame's glass to ensure a crystal-clear view of your artwork. Next, carefully cut the mat board opening. It should be slightly smaller than your quilling art to create a neat border. Finally, use a high-quality, acid-free adhesive to securely attach the mat board to the backing. This prevents any damage to your precious art over time. Now, let us mount your beautiful quilling art. Carefully position your finished artwork within the opening of the mat board, ensuring it is centered and aligned perfectly. Apply very small, discreet dots of clear-drying craft glue to the back of your quilled pieces, focusing on areas that will make good contact with the backing. Gently press the artwork onto the backing board, holding it for a few seconds to ensure a firm and secure hold without damaging the delicate paper. For the final steps, carefully place the assembled backing, mat, and quilling artwork into the shadow box frame. Ensure everything fits snugly and is properly aligned. Secure the frame's backing using the clips or fasteners provided with your shadow box, making sure it is tightly sealed. Lastly, choose a prime location to display your framed quilling art, ideally away from direct sunlight, to preserve its vibrant colors and intricate details for many years to come. Enjoy your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.